It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shava.
And welcome back to another freaking video. Yes, sir. Yes, woman. Yes, sir. Yes, lady. Whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
But as guys, by the time we are back for the video. I know I've been posting like a whole month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, a year. I don't know.
Wow.
But it doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is that we are back posting because you know why? We got bills to pay. And then we're going to show you what the main reason why we got bills to pay. But yeah, as guys, by the title, we got a special video. Not only is it a special video, but it's a special video for someone special. You know what I'm saying? Give it up for... Yeah. As you guys see, man, the thumbnail is saying, yes, I surprised Shasha, my little yeah with a new... What?
My little whoa. My little whoa.
Wait, I surprised Shasha with a new 2021 car. Yes, guys. Yes, I said a new 2021 car. It's been a, it wouldn't be long, I wouldn't say long, but it's been something that's been in the works for a while, and we finally pulled it off. I finally pulled it off. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. It worked. It went through. Basically. Put this video, guys, to show you guys the car and show you guys her reaction. Now, I will say this. We've been had this car for like a week ago, and I didn't get a chance to video. I didn't get a chance to do anything because I had to work. And guys, it's been raining literally
non-stop.
All week
it's been raining.
Let me show you guys where the thing is at. And guys, do not mind the background. We're in the garage, you know what I'm saying? This is a typical garage as you see. You should have stuff in it. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I gotta see the car in the background is all good though. I don't think I can see, but it's raining all week. All week. Literally all week. So we finally got a little bit of sun, and then we decided to do this video for you guys. It's been late, so it's not really a surprise because she already seen the car. Of course, she lived with us. We live together, so we're not gonna. I can't hide the car from her for a whole week. You know what I'm saying? Unless somebody hold it. So yeah, but she's seen the car, and you know, I've been wanting to do a video on it. But it's never too late, so we're gonna do a video on it. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys the car right now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of the car, and yeah.
Let's get straight into this car reaction. Is it a reaction?
No.
Okay, let's get straight into this car video.
Yeah. Guys, now before I show the car, guys, as I said, I bought this car a week ago. Well, tomorrow Friday me a week ago. So the car, as I said, it's been raining all week, so the car is not so clean, but it's a new 2021 car.
It's a new 2021 car.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Okay, so my reaction, my review, whatever. What I think about the car, I love that it's a push start car. It's gray. I love, like, my favorite color is gray. I love the gray. I love how it looks when the sun hits it. I like, okay, so one of the things that I was kind of like conflicted on was like, it's a truck, like it's a big old, it looked like a mom car to me, y'all. Like I should have 2 kids or something.
I mean, you're gonna have this car for the next in 5, 6 years.
Oh, so you tell me we're gonna have a baby in the next 2 or 3 years?
No.
Get back to the story. Get back to the video.
Okay, so it like remind me of like a mom car. But one of the other benefits is because I have a business, and so it's big enough for me to carry my stuff around whenever I do pop-up shops and all that stuff.
Link in the description below. If you guys want to order your hair.
Below. I have hair on hand as well. If y'all want some hair, I got inches boo. So just let me know what you need.
Yeah, I got inches too. Boy, if you don't.
He got inches too, y'all.
Yeah, but it's privately though.
It's privately.
Yeah. Yeah, my
inches. Is that kind of inches?
Yeah. My yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's I like that it's a push start. I like that it's big enough for me to carry my stuff in. I love the color of it. It has a bunch of like stuff inside. I haven't really like went through the car because I'm not that type. Like I'm the type person like Javon is the type of person like he'll go through like he'll want to see how the air look inside the tire.
Hell yeah, you supposed to check the goddamn car.
Man, that's what he put. I just like how it looks. I'm the type of person like it's cute. I like it.
Yeah.
Javon can do the other extra stuff to the truck or whatever, but it's nice. I like it. It's really like it just gives me that mom vibe that I want in the next 2-3 years. So yeah, keep that in mind.
5 years, yeah.
Yeah. What'd you say?
No.
What'd you say?
No.
Okay, so yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and show y'all the car. That was what I think of the car. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's show them what we're working with.
Come on, show them. Let's go.
Let's show them what we're working with. So first of all, y'all, we pull up to the car. Pull up to the boom. I have the key on here. As y'all can see, it's no like little key part where you stick it in the ignition and turn it on. It's no key part thingy. So I just press this little unlock button. Boom. Open the car. Oh, y'all heard how that opened up? Look. Oh,
girl, shut
so
your ass up.
crispy. You come in. Okay, guys, like Javon said, we've had the car for a week now. Almost a week.
I didn't really, guys, it's kind of dark. Well, not really. As you guys can see, man, it has a lot of space in here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of space back there. Space in the front. And as you guys said, we had this car for like a week. So, yeah. Nobody really needed me or her really drive it like that. Yeah, we haven't really drive it like that. It's just been sitting there, actually. So, yeah. So we're gonna actually get her to test drive it. Not really test drive it, but get her to show you guys the drive it. She give her a reaction how to drive and stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah. So
you've seen that part. This is the back part for my 3 kids.
For you who?
My 3 kids.
Oh, you mean the dog and the cat and the pig?
No, baby.
The dog, the cat, and the pig.
But I do want a pig though, like a little baby pig.
Oh, you mean the dog, the cat, and the pig, right?
Yeah.
The dog, the cat, pig.
Whatever.
Yep. You guys see the back is pretty spacious. You know what I'm saying? Make sure. As she said, she make sure that it has enough space so she can put her stuff in when she go to an event and stuff like that.
It has a really nice space.
Yep. So yeah.
So yeah, you got. What is this in here? I don't know what the hell that is.
I don't know what it is either. But yeah, let's check out the hood and the back of the car.
The hood in the back of the car.
Yeah, come pop the hood up for me. Pop the hood up for me.
Pop the hood for you, boo.
Pop the hood.
Pop that hood for you.
Now guys, this part right here should be very interesting.
Oh!
You damn near pressed through the thing. Come on, let's open the hood. And this should be real interesting, guys. Let's see how this works.
Alright, open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Who?
You, come over this side.
Baby, I don't know how to open that thing now. This shit is hot.
You want me to help you look? You find what you're looking for? What are you looking for?
How I open this, baby?
It ain't working?
No, it ain't working. Shit, I'm about to break a switch trying to open this thing.
I told you this would be really interesting.
How you open this?
You done?
Uh-huh.
Alright, hold the camera, I'm gonna show you open it.
Why they make hoods to open up like that? Ain't no, make no.
Big boys do it, you feel me?
Whatever.
Big boys do it. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, you gonna try to find it. It's hot? How you open that? Okay, now show me how you open it. How you open it?
So I'm close to say this thing right here. You lift it up, see?
I seen that, but I didn't know what that was for.
You lift it up and it flies up by itself.
Oh.
So what do you think of the engine?
It looks weird.
That's weird.
Yeah. It looks like there's too much going on.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a big type of engine person,
clean. They look nice.
Yeah, V6. Next up is a V8. You know what I'm saying?
What's a V8?
Huh?
Was that a horse?
I don't know what it's like, but yeah, that's all the engine part. Look, guys, V6, V engine. You know what I'm saying?
Now, okay, what goes in here? What
do you mean what goes in here? You don't need, this car is pretty much brand new. You know, guys, we drive this car off. When I drive this car off, it had I remember less than 500 miles. So this guy is pretty brand new. So you don't need to put nothing in this car right now. The next, however, you know, everything should be fully filled. The only thing you need to put in this car is gas. I maybe check the oil and stuff like that, but right now everything should be filled. Maybe you need to put washer fluid and maybe later down, but as far as the oil and stuff like that, that should be all filled up. You don't need to put anything like that.
Oh, okay, so what you're telling me is I don't need to put anything, but whenever it needs stuff to put in, you need to put it in.
Pretty much, yeah. When it's time for maintenance, it will tell you in the car when it's time for maintenance.
Okay, because I don't know what goes in here.
Yeah, you're good for the next year or two.
Oh, okay.
Maybe longer.
Cool.
Yeah, because even my car, when I got my car in 2016, and I couldn't. The only thing I put in it since I had it was washer fluid. That's it. Everything pretty much filled, because you're gonna have monthly yeah, every 3 months something like you're gonna have monthly maintenance once you reach a certain miles point. So yeah, man, let's close it down. Let's say you're gonna close it down. No, oh my god, she damn near broke this shit.
What happened? It's still open.
Yeah, close it.
I did. How you close this?
Oh my god, I gotta show you everything. Put pressure on it. Put pressure on it. Put pressure on it.
Man, this shit hot now.
I said put pressure on it.
I did that.
Oh
I
my
literally
god.
was putting my backbone into it.
Was she? I don't think she was.
Yes, I was.
But yeah.
Now, what else you want to see?
You want to check out the back, or you just want to?
Yeah, we'll check out the back.
Well, guys, this is the back of it, guys. You guys can see it's very spacious. As you can see, the Murano or Nissan Murano, that's what we got. Very spacious. A lot of space back here. What do you think of the space, baby?
I like it.
Very spaceful. Yeah, you can fit back here. My big ass probably can't fit back here. Now, one thing I want to ask you. This is something I seen. How do you pull the seat back? Let's see if she gonna figure it out.
Oh, this to put the baby in there.
How you pull the seat back? Ah, she figured it out. She figured it out.
That's out. Shit.
You alright, bro?
Ooh. I hit my head.
But yeah, you can see you can pretty much lay back here if you want while somebody driving. See? So the space is very big. You can put a whole bunch of stuff right here, like a whole bunch of, you know what I'm saying? It's very big. So that's one thing I make sure I looked at, because I'm not really thinking about. I think about right now, but I'm also thinking about the future. You know what I'm saying? Plus, as I said, yeah, shut the hell up. And then, as I said, she go to the proper shops and eventually she can put her stuff in the car, stuff like that. So yeah, overall, what do you think of the space?
I like it. I ain't never let this thing down.
Yeah. Yep.
It's nice.
So yeah, guys, it's a lot more stuff on the car that we're not really gonna go into details about. So yeah, right now we're gonna show you guys her driving it a little bit, and then we're gonna end the video right there because we don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video so far, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna get her showing. We're gonna get her reaction driving the car. Let's go. Let's get it. Let go. Yo, it is hot. Bye-bye. I tried to zoom in, but it ain't work. Down she goes. And she's coming back, guys. Bring your ass over here. All right, what you think?
I like it. It drives real smooth. The stern wheel.
What do you think?
Hey.
What do you think?
Hey.
Hey, copyright.
Huh? Oh yeah, you're right.
God damn, it's hot, boy.
This car is hot, huh?
All right, what you think?
I like it. You did good, boo. This was good. You know, I yelled at the kids a little bit because they wouldn't be quiet.
The pigs, the dogs, and the cat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, yeah, they would not be quiet. I told them, sit your ass back before I tell your daddy that you back here slapping on people and stuff.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna already have the daddy. You know, we're just gonna add up one.
Yeah, we're gonna have
One with 4 foots.
No, 2 legs.
No, 4 foots.
2 legs.
4 foots.
Fingers.
4 foots.
Yeah, we can have a puppy.
And a cat and a pig.
No, we're not having no
4
cat,
foots.
pig, and puppy. We're gonna have a little puppy.
Oh yeah. You wanna come out? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys turn this way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You want to end this? Oh, come give your reaction how you drive. Even though you just said it. Even though you just said it, but give your reaction how it was. This is not a twerking session.
No, it was really cool. Like it doesn't like I've never drove a truck or SUV type truck or whatever, but it's comfortable. It drives really smooth. You know, it feel like you floating. It don't really feel like you bumping or you know what I mean. Like
yeah.
You don't feel it when you driving. So I like that. But yeah,
okay.
It's pretty cool. I like it.
Okay.
I like it. I love it.
Give me a high five, bro. Damn, bro. Give me a choast, bro. Yeah,
Sure.
bro.
You almost took my hat off.
That's fine. But yeah, guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but I am sweating. It is hot. It's like 90-something degrees, bro.
Ooh,
but
dang, baby, your chest hot.
But yeah, we're gonna end this video right here because I need to get in the AC. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think of the video down below. And guys, I'm sorry we haven't been posting. That's because we've been thinking what we're gonna do with this channel.
Yeah.
Because you know we've been doing a lot of reactions. Basically turned into a reaction channel, and then because of the reaction, because of the blocks and copyright, that's the reason why I haven't did any reactions. So we might, maybe shift the things back to, challenging and stuff like that. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. If we do reactions, I don't know, maybe let us know if we should create a new channel for reactions, or should we do at least 2 reactions out the week. Let us know, comment down below. But yeah, if you got like this video, if you got like this car, if you got like us, everything, comment down below, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.